Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is beef pies called 牛肉馅儿饼. Delicious and juicy beef pie belongs to Muslim food that can be seen everywhere in China. Let's get started. First, make a dough. Prepare 300 grams of all-purpose flour, 180 milliliters of water. Slowly add water to the flour. Stir with chopsticks as you go until the water is used up. Then form a dough with your hands. Cover with cling film and let it rest for 40 minutes. During this time period, you need to knead the dough for 1 minute once or twice. Next up, make the beef fillings. Get 250 grams of beef, 150 grams of onion. If the good partner of pork is Chinese scallions, then the perfect match of beef should be onion. Cut the beef and onion into pieces. Put them into the meat grinder. Beat into stuffing. Transfer to a big bowl. Look at the seasonings for the fillings. 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. Of course, you can replace it with black pepper powder. 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. 1 teaspoon of salt. 4 tablespoons of oil. 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. Add the seasoning to the fillings. Mix well with chopsticks. Set aside. Sprinkle some flour on the work surface. Tip the rested dough onto the work surface. Knead it until smooth, about 3 minutes. Make a hole in the middle with your hands. Form into donut shape. Break the circle, then cut into 2 parts. Take one. Knead it into a long cylinder. Cut into 8 small dough evenly. Flip them so the cross sections face up. Top with some flour. Flatten everyone. Roll out wrappers with a rolling pin, just like this. Get 8 pie wrappers. Put some fillings on the wrapper. Pinch the edges shut while rotating, like making a stuffed bun. Then turn the smooth side up. Press to form a disc. Repeat the action. Make 8 beef pies. Do the same for the other dough. Put a pan on a low heat. Drizzle with some oil. Arrange 4 pies in it. Pan frying them until golden brown on both sides. Turn over several times when pan frying. Transfer to a plate when cooked through. Nice beef pies are ready. If you like today's recipe, give a try and subscribe for more Chinese cooking videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.